Dentuit is not another job posting site. It's a network that matches job seekers' qualifications and employers' requirements so it can generate the absolute best dental employment match. Join Dentuit for free today. Get started by completing your profile to maximize your chances of landing the best dental jobs available in the market. Keep your digital portfolio always 100% up to date and completed. Be always ready to grab any new opportunity by mentioning all your current and previous employment details and by showcasing your skills and professional experience, including your part-time and temporary assignments. You can also request to have your skills and experience endorsed by your previous and current employer or business partner. Endorsements will help you showcase your qualifications better while increasing your marketability on Dentuit and putting yourself one step ahead of your competitors. If you're looking to pick up some extra hours or to find new dental job opportunities, then set up your work availability according to the number of days and hours you are available to work, and our dental employment matching system will start connecting your profile with positions tailored to fit your employment preference and availability. Instead of you chasing after job opportunities will start chasing you. Once your work availability is set up, don't forget to confirm it within the required time frame to enable us to continue matching your profile with great dental job opportunities. Your work availability is always listed on Dentuit in real time, giving employers assurance that they will not be screening through candidates whose availabilities have changed and are not available for work any longer. All work availability details listed on your profile is never visible to regular members and are visible only to owners and administrators of business pages, which are listed on Dentuit. Hiring managers can find your profile and consequently offer you a job either through the talent search engine results or by directly visiting your profile. You might be contacted with job offers on the contact information available in your profile, Dentuit's messaging system, or the hiring manager may decide to send you a job opportunity with the position overview. For you to get a chance to review position details and for hiring managers to see if the job opportunity interests you, you may choose to accept or decline the job opportunity. You may also apply for jobs and assignments on your own. No resume is needed as you will be applying using your online profile, which is an interactive digital version of the traditional text resumes. So make sure to fill all sections of your profile to enable your digital portfolio to stand out. You can print and export your digital resume anytime using a link available on your profile or your Talent Search profile summary. Dentuit gives you the flexibility to adjust privacy settings for the information listed on your profile, including hiding your job seekers' initiatives from all hiring managers on the site by turning your private job seeker options on. Once this feature is enabled, your job seeker status and availability details will stay private and hidden until you grant permission for it to be shared with a recruiter by accepting a profile unlock request, accepting a job opportunity, or by applying for a job that interests you. You can also request your current or previous employers to add you to their favorite list. This way, your employer will always remain updated about your work availability, and you can easily get rehired for the company's future jobs and assignments. All companies who have added you as their favorite will be listed on the dashboard section of your profile. You will also find the list of job applications along with their current status, your received job opportunities, and profile unlock requests in this section, with an option to lock your profile for selected pages again. Join Dentuit today and become a part of the ever-growing dental professionals community, created to help you in pursuing your career goals, where you can also network with dental professionals across the globe, exchange ideas, communicate, and collaborate. Dentuit, you deserve your perfect dental job as much as it deserves you.